Hi guys, my name is Cam and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to put the music feature on your Instagram. And bago po ang lahat, kailangan natin malaman na ang music feature is only available to these countries like US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Sweden, France, and Germany. So if you are here in the Philippines, malamang sa malamang wala po yung music feature ang iyong Instagram. So, let's proceed. Papakita ko po sa inyo yung aking Instagram bago po siya nagkaroon ng music feature. So, here, I'm gonna open my Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo. Just gonna click that smiley thing up there. And nakikita po natin wala po yung music, okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is, wait, exit ko muna lahat yan para walang hassle. Okay, I'm just gonna delete the Instagram app. Yun po yung una nyong gagawin. Okay, next thing we do is, if you have a VPN app, let's open it. I have here VPN Proxy Master. I'm just gonna turn it on. Hintayin po natin mag-connect. So, after na na-connect yung ating VPN, punta po tayo sa App Store so we can install the Instagram app. So, after po na-install yung Instagram app, i-open natin yung Instagram. Click the camera icon. Enable. Stick a photo. Allow. Try natin tingnan kung meron yung music feature. But it shows na wala pa rin po yung music feature, but don't worry, talaga pong nangyayari ito. So, ang gagawin natin is exit natin yung app. And when I say exit po, kailangan po talaga natin tanggalin siya sa mga recent apps. Okay? So, next thing we do is, back to our home page. Let's open the app. Let's try to take a photo. And click that smiley icon and there you go. Meron na po tayo yung music feature. Charang! So, muli tayo. Let's try to pick one. Just to show you guys.
So please don't break my heart.
So yun na guys, it's working. Kung gusto niyo din na mag-search na ibang music, pwede naman. Okay guys, just a reminder, if you are using the VPN Proxy Master just like me, make sure na connected yan sa US or yung mga countries na available yung music feature. So, pag in-off ko natin yung VPN, hindi po natin maririnig yung music guys. So, kunyari, yan po, naka-off yung ating VPN. Hindi siya naka-connect. Magbabalik po ako sa Instagram stories ko. Tingnan ko po yung pinost ko. Ayan po, sinasabi ng Instagram na hindi available in your region. Hindi siya available sa ating region. So, pag naka-on po yung ating VPN, maririnig po natin yung music. So, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you po. Thank you for watching and write me a comment down below. Thank you guys.